Hi, I'm Brendan with El Capitan, and I'm here to give you a tour of the Dreamweaver. So welcome. In the Dreamweaver, we have beautiful front seats, 3-point seat belts, and easy to swivel around facing forward or facing back. And you get this beautiful table for extending your kitchen galley area or to just sit and chill and have a meal. We have a lot of lighting in here, toe kick lighting under all the cabinets. We have our lighting up top in the shelves and inside the cabinets. Pretty cool. I got my Keurig coffee pot up there, some gear. Yeah, come on in. In the Dreamweaver, we have a big shower and we have aviation track in here. I keep my toiletries in this bag. It's pretty cool. Just got off a trip in Moab, met Jason down there, and I'm on my way back. Currently in Colorado. This shower's awesome, really awesome. And it also has a bathtub style feature, right? So you can wash your feet off or wash other stuff off. It's pretty cool. You know what else is cool too? If you're skiing or you're doing some type of adventure gear, you put all your wet clothes in here and you hang it up from the aviation track, so you get your own little like swamp room or whatever you want to call it. It's really cool, right? So lithium batteries, of course, and upgraded alternator for charging, solar, the whole deal. Air conditioning runs from the batteries. 12-volt AC system, works really well. It's a serviceable system too, and made by Pro Air, really cool. Now, kitchen area, we have our deep sink and gooseneck faucet, and our hot water system works really well. Got a lot of water pressure, so that's not a problem for doing dishes. Upper storage here, this is cool. I'm gonna get some more of these bins and some organizers, racks and levels for it. So I'm just getting into getting this thing all together in the way I want it, right? These cabinets, perfect wardrobe cabinet. I have our hangers and clothing pole in there that comes with the Dreamweaver. And then underneath we have another cabinet, and that works, that serves me really well. In the back, more storage, but the best part about this is it's lightweight canvas. It's made by Adventure Wagon, and yeah, so really cool design. They're a great group of people. And this zips up, you fold this up, it's got 2 little magnets in it, and it holds the door up. Like, I mean, what else would you want? It's also removable, and you can put one on this side. So we got aviation track everywhere, and it's strong. It's all strong. Even these hammock hooks, you can set up a hammock, and boom, you got what you need, right? So if you get lazy, or it's just you, right, you got the sofa bed. Perfect. You also, oh, this is cool too, little life hack, right? So I got the outside shower in here, and I also put my towel underneath here, okay? That's how I roll. Bam! The bed. This bed, I'm really proud of this bed. This is something, I came up with this, and with some help with my buddy Josh. The up and down rail system with these linear tracks and these lockdowns, it's called the Honey Bunny bed system, right? Because when you get where you're going, honey bunny, can you set up the bed? You don't want to be fumbling and crumbling around, right? Nothing heavy, something that's, you know, frustrating and annoying. This thing is easy to set up, really lightweight and strong. Let me show you how it works. So, go as fast as I can, so make way. Get your panels. You just put these aside. All right. Light. And what's cool is if you don't need to put it away, or you don't even need it, you take it out, leave it at home, or you leave it set up and you have all your gear underneath it. Right? It goes on like this. It has, see how tight that fit is? It slides back and forth, it locks in. Bam! Oh, I love this bed. And the it makes no noise. That's what's cool. It makes no noise. And it's so light. So, anybody, are you almost done with that bed? Yeah, I'm almost done. This is cool. Look, I got a little storage spot for snacks. Life hacks. me, I don't want to sleep sideways. I sleep my hand above my head, so it don't work. But for this, there it is. Holy cow. What else do you want? This thing's strong. You get all the way to the edge, and with these turn knobs, you can feel confident here. I trust my life with this bed. This thing is strong, right? So, let's go around, right? Let's show the exterior, some of the stuff on the outside. I think we covered most of everything in here. I mean, besides the audio system, which is amazing, by the way. It has subwoofer, amplifier, and when I mean it booms, and it's clean, really clean. And when it times out, we got a Bluetooth button. You hit the Bluetooth button, and you're camping out, the music's not gonna go off, runs off your lithium battery, you're set. Yeah, so, AC, hot air heater, inverter, solar, all that stuff, right? You have your standard awning, power awning by Carefree, out in Colorado. It's lighted, pretty cool. Yeah, we have our Illuminous sidebars. You know, some people call them Nerfbars, running boards. I don't know what they're called anymore. We got the wheels and tires, upgraded suspension system on this one. We have the van compass, right? Adjustable. I don't adjust them, but some people probably do. Works really well. When you're on the highway and you just take an exit, you feel confident and comfortable, like it flies. It's pretty cool. This roof rack is awesome. We got the strongest side ladder of all the RVs. Yeah, okay. Check this out. Seamless roof rack. We got our solar panels sunk in, which is cool, is you take your mattress, throw it up here, and crash out under the stars. It's amazing. Like, what else do you want? Hey, kids, you're sleeping upstairs. Thank you for coming and checking out the Dreamweaver. If you don't like a Dreamweaver, you'll probably like a Story Maker. Don't tell stories.